Hi students, in this video discuss about an PLsql control structure. A control structure of the procedural computer program use basics. So these contains three types of control structures. Conditional control, iterative control and sequential control. Conditional control. A conditional control structures test the condition to find whether it is true or false and accordingly execute different blocks of SQL statement. Conditional control is generally performed by if statement. There are three types of if statement: if then else, and if then else. The first one is if then condition. It is the simplest form of the if condition. The syntax is if condition, then sequence of statement, then end if. The sequences of statement is execute only the condition is true. If it is the condition is false or null, then the sequence of statement is skipped into the processing to continue the statement following end of statement. If then else, if the condition is false, then the control exists to next statement out of if then else class to execute some other set of statement in case of condition evaluate to false. The second form, if the statement is used, it adds on keyword else followed by alternative sequence of statements. For example, to become clear about it, the previous example compared on A and B are assigned the greater number to I. So if the constructor call if A greater than or equal to B, then I equal to A. Else the I equal to B, then end if. The sequence of statement in else class is executed only the condition is false or null. If then else. In the previous construct of if, we can check only one condition, whether condition is true or false. There is no provisions if we want to check some other condition. If then the first condition evaluate false. For this purpose, third form if statement is used. So if select an action from several mutually exclusive and alternative. So the third of if statement use the keyword else if to introduce an additional condition as follows. If conditional 1, then true condition is true, then a sequence of statement is executed, then else if condition is 2, then the sequence of statement is true, else sequence of statement is 3. So thank you. Continue on next video.